need you to oil this man, right now!
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Morena, you old drub. Thank you very much for the 7 months, my bro. Cherry Brother Razor. How's Mahi, my bro? What's up, Timuka and Jeep? Morena, guys. How we doing? How we doing? It is good to see everybody again. Sorry I didn't go live last night. I've been trying to get back into my Twitch channel, but because I've got 2FA on my account, I don't know what it is, but the bloody the code ain't been sent through to my phone. And boy oh boy is a bloody ho-ha. What's up, Snare? Can't wait for Sunday. Yeah, I bet, my bro. How you and the fam? Me and the whānau are good, my bro. Just went to go and do a little thing with Louis Davis yesterday, so he hit me up and it was good to see him again. Just had a kaya and a kōrero. Yeah, a bit of a kaya and a kōrero, my bro. Greetings from Belarus. Kia ora, brother. Morning, morning. Welcome on through, my bro. I'll be honest, bro. It wasn't even that nice. I'll be honest, I've worked at Te Puia before, and their seafood menu is always pretty teats. Like, it's pretty dumb, my bro. You'd think for, the amount of money that they make, a self-sustained company that have some nice seafood. But cow. Yeah. Well, it's midnight there. Cheers. Cheers, Snare Drum. Hope you're doing good too, my bro. How's the Overwatch been, brother? Yeah, how's the old Overwatch been, my bro? Had to take a break from getting bad, isn't it? Oh, true. Gotta find you a chill game, my bro. Yeah, because I was gonna stream last night. And play some Gears of War, but my bloody PC restarted and logged all my shit off all my platforms. So I had to redo all that crap again. So for sure. And still haven't got my 2FA code for oh, true. Where you from again? Rotorua in Ruatahuna. I see GTA's gone on sale today. Did you see what they're doing with the physical copies? They said if you buy a physical copy you get the case and a code for the game inside the case. CDs are well and truly gone. I'm a bit of a physical copy, Andy. I won't lie. Yeah, I'm a physical copy, Andy, but Yeah, apparently they're just putting the codes in the case and sending them out. Oh, you're from Hastings? Sure. Yeah, that's pretty rad, see. No, sucks. You used to love the maps. Yeah, I used to like getting all the maps for GTA as well. After stream today, I'll probably crank the PS5 up and have a look at how much GTA is. I'm guessing for us it's gonna be like 150 plus. Collector's edition will probably be like almost 200. I can see it already. Who's all from Aotearoa here? Yeah, it's available for pre-order now, my bro. Only on consoles though. Who's all from Aotearoa here? Got a bit of a job for you guys. So I've got a bit of a task for everyone from Aotearoa, right? Got a bit of a task. Now I know a lot of you have the internet that are here. Now, if you don't know, there's a Conservation Act bill in the works at the moment by the government. And they're trying to, you know, put up all the conservation sites around Aotearoa up for sale, okay? They're trying to put them up for sale, so the problem I have with that is going hunting, and then next thing you know there's a fucking Starbucks in the middle of nowhere. So if you're from Aotearoa, can you go through and go and sign the what is it called? The thingy to oppose the bill. I'm gonna start being that guy a little bit as Broxy, trying to encourage our people to get out and vote. Yeah. Cause I've had enough of this shit, eh? I've had enough of the greedy bullshit. What time is it over there? It is 9:30, good sir. 9:30. Yeah, the Conservation Act bill. They've got a bit of a oh, what are those things that you sign? Like a lot of people can sign it. Petition. That's it. See, I always forget the word. Yeah, go and sign the petition. It's all over Instagram as well. Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, it's in the Twitch chat right there. Yeah. Yeah, I've pretty much, I'm fed up with their bullshit, my bro. So this is the two hoi side of me coming out. Yeah, next thing you know, you're doing you're in a national park and you see a fucking mall in the middle of it. Fuck that. I'm sorry, but no. Have you been to Hastings when I was young? Yeah. I have some whānau that live down there. Hastings and Napier. And a big thank you to one. Wait for it. Timing LOL. Thank you for the Optimus Prime. Speaking of LOL, Man, how good are the T1 skins? Anyone seen them? Now, one thing I am happy about is, you know, 2 of the champions that I play are getting a T1 skin, so, you know, I can't complain. When you're involved, thank you, timing. I appreciate that, brother. Go follow Age, my bro. Follow Age. Yeah, there potentially may be no stream tomorrow, guys. Because the carving school's got their graduation tomorrow, and they invited me up because I was up there yesterday, and all the boys were just saying, "Come in." Plus, one of my little cousins is graduating too. So yeah, there may be no carving stream tomorrow, okay? But we'll see. It is Friday though, so we all know what that means, right? If I don't go, obviously we know what we stream every Friday. You know, for the Cog War, Yo, chill my bro. You get your 2FA sorted? Nah, still hasn't sent through to my phone. I'll probably try it again after stream. But luckily outside on my outside setup it's logged in. Thank you for the 75 months. Holy. So what, not next year, or maybe like in 2 years that'll be 100 months? I don't math that well, so I could be wrong. There's an issue with Texas at the moment. Can I wonder if I can change it on my outside setup, because I think I'd rather do it through email. On your Google Authenticator. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's cause I'll tell you, I can't really say it on stream. I'll message it to you now, my phone's inside. I'm actually stupid, I have Discord on my phone, on my outside setup. They're sorting that out for me in September. Sorry, I can't tell you what it is, guys. You will have to wait. Gonna be a pretty big achievement for the stream too. Oh, also, chat, I've got a bit of a reveal for yous. I've got a bit of a reveal for yous. Hey. How we doing? My name is Brox the Beardless. How are you doing, laddie? Hello. What's his name, Androgenic? Time to get absolutely frickin' frame mogged. I don't do mogging, chat. I'm too old for that. That was just the one-time thing. It'll never happen again. Here's this child on the stream. So yes, I cut it off. And you know who I took a video of when I cut it off? The baby. She was not a fan. She was not a fan. Too old for Morgan is clearly a 12-year-old. The baby was struggling to process what I looked like yesterday, and it was funny as. Yeah, pretty much, my bro. How old are you? I am 34. Hey, what up, Bison? How are you, brother? 34 years old, good sir. Ah, 34, this man's a young pup. Yeah, 34 years old, my bro. Ah, 91, 1991. So when I was born. A much simpler time. I'd say life was good back in the 90s, eh? Right, there's so many vids of the reactions like that. Used to the beard, and then when it gets away, you like look like a stranger. Yeah, that's pretty much what I did. I was like 5 and shaved my beard off in years, like down to the skin. And I was like, fuck it, let's do it. Dude, my brother just finished battling the Texas heat. Oh, yeah. Was it the evening for you, my bro? It must be still hot in the evenings too, eh? Well, all is well here, my bro. We're just, all we're kind of doing right now is trying to, clean up this, this side of the face, my bro. So basically all that's left to do on this heitiki is this area here. And then it's done. And then it's pretty much there. All said and done, whānau. Obviously we will have to, you know, try and make it look identical to the other side as well. So there will be that to do too. But it won't take long. It will not take long at all. So we'll do a little bit of that now. So you can kind of see here, this needs to be dropped down a bit. There we go. Morning, Nicatude. Morning, my bro. Morning. Hello. How are we? Our paths converge once again. It's no far. You get major skills. Enjoy watching you craft. I appreciate you, brother Bryson. Appreciate you, my bro. Yeah, I just love what I do, brother. Day in, day out. Yeah, it never gets old to me, my bro. Never ever. Yeah, so all we're doing right now is trying to make both sides look the same, okay? That's pretty much all we have to do right now. So yeah, sorry I didn't go live yesterday, Fano. Just yeah, once again went to meet up with the bro Louis Davis. Just, you know, two Maori content creators linking up and having a catch up pretty much. That's all we were up to yesterday, and it was fun. It was good to see the bro again. Did a little bit of a video which you'll probably finish today. Yeah, you probably finish it today. The old red bands, yeah, I'll probably invest in some moko bands though. Rather support the bro in his business. He was trying to send me some, but I said no. I'd rather buy some because I know that'll support you. So that's how I would rather do it for the bro in his business. Can purchase some moko bands. Hey brother, do you like the NZ film called Boy? I'll be honest, not really. Be like, meh, just like being at home. Like, it's a good movie, but I was like, once is enough for me. Hunt for the Wilder People though, I like that one. It's actually a true story as well, and it happened in my backyard, aka my hometown. There we go, way better. Yeah, so all I'm trying to do, guys... Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Yeah, got it. Just getting this all flat. Just remember as well, guys, next week there'll be... So carving streams will slow down next week, okay? If you're not part of the Discord, I put an announcement in there. Yeah, next week carving streams will slow down because it's the school holidays, okay? As they normally do. Because, you know, with the school holidays, you know, I'd rather, you know, spend my time with the kids on their break. The really, really big tuna. Cheer, my brother, good to see you again. And thank you very much for the 3 months as a prime. How you been, my bro? Hope you're well. If you're thinking something doesn't look right here, it's probably because I shaved my beard off. Cheer, my bro. Got a mad heat wave in the UK. True. That's right, yeah, the Northern Hemisphere, eh? They're all up in the old summer vibes at the moment. Eagle versus shark. Now that is an old one. That's an old one. That was kind of like one of the first ones, eh, that they made. We cooked, bro. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to when we get back into summer, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm living it up in the winter as much as we can, my bro. As much as we can. Did you watch the Hurricanes? Yeah, I was at Te concert though at the same time. So I wasn't like fully focused on it, but yeah, you know, I was watching it here and there. Yeah, bro, pretty much our Christmases are all, you know, beaches, sunblock and sunburn, barbecues and drinks, my bro. Obviously, I don't drink no more. I stopped when I was 25, but yeah, that's pretty much your typical Christmas. Yeah, I stopped drinking when I was 25 years old. Just stopped caring about it pretty much. It became boring. Yeah, for me, like, it genuinely, yeah, it became like boring. It all happened when I was out in town with a lot of my mates. And then I just had a moment where I was like, this ain't it no more. It's like, I'm not really out here trying to waste my weekends getting drunk as shit. Yeah, I had that thought when I was 25, and that's when yeah, just stopped. Stopped going out. Stopped drinking. Better to flex what you get up to on the weekend rather than, you know, how drunk you got on the weekend, in my opinion. Well, that's just kind of the way I'm moving now. Alright. Yeah, so all we're doing is just making everything meet, okay? All the way around. Hey, this pencil fell underneath the vehicle. This got him. There we go. Yeah, this is probably the other time consuming thing, making everything meet up. kind of the stage we're at with the face right now too. How do you keep it from tearing out? Go with the grain, make sure you got a sharp chisel. So the grain's going that way or this way. So that's just the way I angle my cut as well. Okay. Better look different as. yeah. It was funny seeing the kids' reactions too. They were like, whoa! What the hell? And then the baby cried. Fuck, that was funny. That was probably the funniest part about it, seeing the baby just look at me and tears welling up and started crying. Okay. That's what I'm scared of. It was worth the reaction though. That was funny as. Good. Yeah. Hey, hello. Hi, gorgeous. You're getting bored inside, are you? I can hear you. You don't want to yak where away, Anna. Be here.
Come on. Come.
Kjærle. Jeg har det quick til hikwe. Ah.
Leave it. Come on. Do it. You do it.
Kjærle. Yeah.
There. Nice young woman.
Hide it to hikwe. Don't touch the internet cord, please. You watch out for the next one. Here. Little weak. She's off for a hikwe. Hikoi means walk, guys. Yeah, thank you, my bro. Yeah, that's she's the youngest out of the three. Out of our three daughters. The two other sisters have a bit of still got school today. 2 more days and then they're on holiday. So they're counting down. They're counting down, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much the reason why carving streams may slow down in the coming days, okay? Just so I can just spend some time with the girls. Go and do some stuff, go on adventures. So for the first week we're just going to do a few things with them. On the second week, they want to go to their nan and kuros. So they'll go and do that. Yeah, pretty much, my bro. Like, with my second daughter, she'll probably still have jiu-jitsu classes through the holidays. So I'll go and do that. I think she's got some comps coming up. Yeah. Yeah, second girl, she's a bit more hard-headed than her eldest sister. You see the difference in the two, man, every day. Holy. Eldest daughter makes her bed every morning, the other one just leaves it in a mess. Like, oh, fuck yeah. It's always the middle, yeah, bro. Always the middle. Like, my eldest is a bit timid, but she'll stand on business for her sister. And then the sister's like, I don't need your help. I can just choke them out. But I pretty much taught them, you know, no hitting unless you get hit first. You're like, we know, Dad. They're just making sure. Because you guys are little assholes. Whakairo. WH in my language is an F. Whakairo. Good. My boy beats his older sister and I don't like it, but she won't hit back. Yeah. My big girl, she's kind of the same too, but she tells her sister, "Babe, keep going and I will flatline you." I was like, whoa. But oh, it's gonna be great when they're teenagers. But I pretty much told them, you know, no sleepovers till he's 18. That's one of my number one rules as a dad. No sleepovers till he's 18. So I'm just getting a nice natural roll on the brow. So there's no sharp lines like the other side. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it. Kia ora. Kei te pai? Ora mai ki kone. Kia tupato. Jeez. Hiki nana wai wai. Airi pēnei. Airi pēnei.
Let's go feed the boobs.
Oh, she's like a bull, just bumps into anything. Oh, you just started doing BJJ. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I only just done it because my daughter did it, you know. Just to show examples. Show some examples and I tell her not to hold back when she spars with me too. So pretty much tell her I want you to train with me like you're gonna try and choke me out. Try and submit me. And she's been good. Because I don't want her to be, you know, soft. Let me just get my phone too. Alright. Just got my phone, guys. I think my daughter just got bombarded by birds and she's crying. I'm their parent chat. I would have laughed. I can hear her. I know. What a dad. What a dad. Did you get hiding from the beds? Did you get bombarded by the birds? Oh. Oh, try. That's kind of funny. Yeah, so essentially what we're trying to do with this heitiki is just have it clean cut, pretty much. No designs on it whatsoever. Man, I look weird with no beard on, eh? Shit. Looks different, Angie. It's good though. Yeah. I just needed to. Wow, you look so young. Yeah, feels weird. Feels weird, I must say. But you look 20. You reckon? Why does it? I look weird on the TikTok stream though. Yeah. I look like Aemon Targaryen. Where's Vega? Where's Vega? My name is Aemon Targaryen, and I kissed my mother. My name is Aemon One Eye. I kissed my mother. That's kind of weird he did that, eh? But that's like Targaryen as fuck, eh? Thank you very much for the gifting, my bro. Yeah, I thought that was weird, bro. They did that. But that's such a Targaryen thing for them to do, eh? That was wild to watch, yeah. Thank you very much, S, for the roses, my bro. And Maka for the 2 roses. Looking forward to the next episode. When are they? Every Monday? Is it every Monday? What's up, Ski Mask? Thank you very much, J-Bone. And Macca's again. Oh, Macca? Yeah, is it every Monday? When is the next episode? Holy heck, who's this young fella? Also, my bro. Oh, I'm going to get them. I got my first cards. My first 2 Pokemon cards. Yeah, so as you all know, I'm starting to get into TCG and Pokemon specifically because I like Pokemon Kanto to be more precise. And I got my first 2 cards. Shout out to Cherry Collectibles in Melbourne. Got my first 2 Pokemon cards there. The Bulbasaur and the Ivysaur. Right there. I know the Venusaur's gonna be hard to get. Yeah, the Mega Venusaur. Thank you very much, A. So you got the Ivysaur there. And the Bulbasaur. I wanted to get the ones without the stamp. I like them, eh? I like the art on them. That's why they caught my eye, just because they look different. And like the color palettes on it and everything. So the next thing I'll probably have to do through the bro is hit up the Mint Lab for the extended art folders. Beard's gone, yeah, for now. Did you pull them? No. I scored them. I know the Mega Ivysaur's gonna be hard to get. Yeah, I know that Mega Ivysaur's gonna be really hard to get. So I'm gonna. So all my plan is I just want to try and make my own Kanto binder, pretty much, starting with the 3 main ones. Nidoking. Mewtwo's gonna be hard to get because Mewtwo cards are very sought after, and I do like some of the trainer cards too. Like I want to try and get some of Red, Pokemon Trainer Red, favorite Pokemon trainer by the way. Thank you very much, Dry, and Easy Kill as well. Yeah, Red's one of my, I like all the Red's cards, but some of them are not so great as well. And Lance and Leon's Charizards. What happened? Did you eat the ground?
So I had a fight with a puddle and lost.
Well, that's pretty shit, Bubba.
No, she was playing with the water, like stomping in it.
And she fell
So
in.
I pulled my phone out to take a photo of it. And as soon as I pulled it out, she fell in.
Yeah, fuck you.
Hey, little girl. Now you're all wet.
Yeah, but like Pokemon Trainer Red. There's these other cards too. I don't know, it's like a Pokemon Trainer card and it's with Hisui and Arcanine. I think it looks pretty cool. He has a girl. I've been married for 2, been with her for 10, and we have 3 girls. I don't have a girlfriend, I have a wife. This is the first time for my wife too. Us up 100? Bro, the beard where? I deleted it. Nah, I just wanted to cut it off, my bro. More so just to farm reactions from my kids, and it was absolutely worth it. Bro, I miss your beard. Yeah, and plus, you know, clean up my skin a bit. Get back into the skincare. Look after the kitty, my bros. Look after the kitty. Okay, that one's nice now. He's clean. Yeah, and cold. Yeah, really cold. But I will say though, yeah, not much of a double chin anymore. It used to be farther down in it. See? How's it going, man? All is well, brother. All is well. Thank you for the mustache, man. Hey, I did have a mo though. I did have a dirty mo. But then, I look like a porn star from the 80s. And a certain uncle from Once Were Warriors. And I didn't like it. Didn't help that I got long hair. Some people understand the joke. Thank you very much, a certain uncle. Yeah, done. Not a good combo, you know, having long hair and a mo. Not a good combo. Yeah, it is not a good combo in Te Ao Maori. Who do you like better, blue or red? Red. Pokemon Trainer Red. Yeah, I want to try and get some Pokemon Trainer Red's cards too. But yeah, for now, my main focus is just trying to get some of the Gen 1 Pokemon that I like. Like Gen 1 and 2 are my favourite generations, but if I had to choose one, it'd probably be Kanto. Kanto would be my absolute favourite. G'day from over the ditch too, my bro. What happened to the beard? I cut it off. And it feels cold. Don't worry, it'll be back in time. In time, good sir, in time. I'll tell you what, November we'll do Movember, okay? We'll do a little something. What are you making, bro? We're just carving a Heitiki, my bro. Doing a Heitiki today. I was supposed to stream yesterday, but I went to meet up with the bro Louis. Just have a catch up with him, did a couple videos. And then I went to see all the bros at the carving school that I went to. Did it all that too. We the streamer that went viral? Nah, not me, it's the other guy. He's got a beard. Hello, love from Scotland. Kia ora, my bro. How are you? Yeah, the guy that got gifted subs had a beard. Oh yeah, they are. Yeah, they do. Hold on, chat. Seen you on Twitch in a few years back and hope you're living good. Shit, sure, brother Shane. Yeah, I'm actually still streaming on Twitch, but we do about 4 platforms nowadays, my bro. I feel like we kind of have to go that way. You can't really just do one platform unless you're, you know, household name like Jinxie and all of them. Queso. But I love watching Queso streams anyway. Queso is probably one of my comfort streamers that I enjoy watching just when I'm chilling out. But he's funny. And he's entertaining. Tell me you're a Waz fan. Cowboys, then the Waz. Yeah, the Cowboys was my Koro's favourite team. And fond memories watching the Cowboys play, pretty much. Oh, what up, Kasufa? I was having a jam last night and I seen the bro was on too. You're so chill. Ah, cheers, brother. Cheers, my bro. You play Apex Legends? Not really. Nah, not really, my bro. Not for me. Not for me. How long does it take to make one piece? I want to say when Luffy finds it, but it can vary between on and offline. Offline, you know, I finish it in a couple days. Online, it may take a little bit longer because, you know, I enjoy talking to everyone. Yeah, Jay was on last night, just having a couple sneaky games. Not so much streaming. Yeah, the One Piece fan in me wanted to just throw that in there a little bit. Is this Oblivion music? Yeah. Oh, Skyrim. But yeah. Yeah, One Piece is my favorite anime. Thank you very much, T-Day. Appreciate you. Are you a gamer? I have been gaming since Sonic 1. Yeah, I've started learning Zinzao, my bro. I'm not really sure where Zinzao kind of thrives, in jungle or top lane. You shaved? Yes, I did. Do you listen to Nora Jones? Is that a Jonas brother? I don't know. What's your favorite game of all time? I'd probably have to say WoW. WoW was that one game that you know, it was kind of like my escape game, pretty much. Lee Fuller and Ghost, thank you very much. Like, does anyone else have that one game they like to escape to and just chill out? Thank you, Meh, for the kits. So yeah, that's probably far up. That's loud, eh? I was playing classic TBC, but now I'm not. Yeah. I wouldn't mind, like, if I do jump back on TBC, I'd probably make another character. Because my mates all in the Horde, they're too far ahead now. That was one of the main reasons why they stopped. Like, we all started at the same time, and it's, you know, it's hard for me. Because I'm a dad, so, and a husband, so I'm not going to be on 24/8. So, Sana. What are you carving? We're carving a heitiki. So all I'm doing right now is, all we're doing really is just rounding the face. So you can see how strong those brow lines are. Hey, what up, Delirious? How are you, brother? So we're just doing that. Holy, yo, Top Nerd and this store. Thank you very much for the what would that be? A rock bean. Okay, thank you, Delirious. Yeah, so this is what we've been up to, doing this double-sided heitiki, pretty much. And we're just rounding everything off on the face. We're pretty much almost done. It's probably going to be one of those heitiki that's not really designed that much. Yeah, I love Cyberpunk. I specifically played it for Pan Am. I wouldn't mind doing another playthrough though. Yeah. I'm literally watching Delirious. Oh, someone in the chat's name is Delirious. I don't know what that video is. Thank you, Taylor. Judy. Judy's the tech girl, eh? Is she? How you been, brother? Good, my bro. And cold. Yeah, but other than that, brother, been really good. Really busy. Dabbling a little bit in League of Legends. I really need to start playing ranked because another one of my favorite characters is getting the rank skin. I missed out on the last one because Brom's my absolute favorite support. He's probably my favorite character in the League of Legends universe, Brom. Yeah, unfortunately missed out on that. Maxi, thank you very much for the snowfall. Taylor, I want to say it's not me because he had a beard, but yes, it is me. Hello. What would you say is your favorite game? Wow. I'm looking forward to seeing what they announced at BlizzCon. So if you missed the announcement, guys, a couple days ago, I got invited back to BlizzCon, and I'll be going in September. I should probably make a video about it, eh? So yeah, I'm going back to BlizzCon this September. You seem way too calm to play League? Oh, I still do. So, Buzo. Hey, what up, Robbie? Hope you're having a mint day. New champ came out this morning. That's the guy with the fat ass nail, eh? I probably won't play Lock. I kind of want to just focus on Xin Zhao. Learning Xin Zhao and getting better with Galio still. I was going to play Olaf and then I was like, I missed the bro stream, so I'm going to main a character that has a spear. That was my reasoning for picking up Xin Zhao. BlizzCon would be sick, bro. Hope you enjoy. I'll make sure to stream it. Yeah, I'm trying to sort an IRL setup. No beard. yeah. I was waiting for you to notice. Yeah, trying to sort an IRL setup, but just phones cost too much these days, eh? Like it would. What gives life meaning? Living it, I would say. Zen needs a skin. Oh, he's got quite a few, isn't he? I like his I like the Dragon Lancer one and the Warring Kingdoms one. Yeah, I was like, fuck, I genuinely missed the bro stream, so let's play a character that has a spear as well. Well, it's not a spear, but you know. So yeah, we started playing Xin Zhao. Skins make champs feel better. You're not wrong, you're not wrong. Have you ever created a wood piece inspired by WoW or LoL? No, not yet. There is a piece that I'm going to do for myself. That I thought of last night at about 12:02 AM. So after the next commission, I am going to do a carving for myself, and it's going to be Tai Kaliso. So I'm going to do it in Whakairo in the Maori wood carving style. I'm not going to do the, you know, the generic I drink Bud Light tribal tattoo face, you know, markings that they get. I'm going to give them a proper one. I'm going to give him the proper moko on the side, even the bit over here. So I'm going to carve Tai Kaliso for myself from Gears of War, because I just started playing Gears, and he's the reason why. And I know what happens to him, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of Tai. And also, I need to figure out who voices Mako Kemara in the new Gears of War E-Day as well. It's a Maori, you can hear it. Thank you very much, Kaiser and Mitch. Cheers, my bros. Yeah, you can hear the accent. But I'm wondering if the guy who voices Mako Kemara in Gears of War is the same guy who voices Largo in Dota 2. You jamming Gears tomorrow? It depends. It depends if my wife's at work and baby as well. But the boy, when I went up to see Louis at Te Puia yesterday, the boys invited me to the graduation tomorrow. Normally Friday is a Gears of War day, I won't lie, so maybe in the evening. So what was the last mission I did on Gears? We went underground. We dropped that, whatever that impulsor thing is, and detonated it and got out. That was the last mission I did on Gears of War. Got to meet the voice of Dom and Marcus and Ozzy. Was wild meeting Jig Dog and... Bro, real? Did you shave your beard off? Yes, I did. I did, good sir. You're going to Phoenix Estate starting at... Yeah, pretty much that's the next one. Yeah, that's the next one we're going to be doing. Yeah, but this is legit my first time playing Gears of War. And bro, it's been fun. It's been real fun. Like full on new to the game and the franchise. And yeah, the main reason why I started playing Gears was because of Ty. Because the one who voices him now is actually in the same city I am. Thank you very much, Damp, for the money gun. Kia ora, my bro. So Matawairangi actually lives here in Rotorua. Yeah, he legit lives here. And I was like, oh hell yeah, okay, time to try Gears of War out. And yeah, bro, it's been fun, like real fun. I played age like 11. Gears of War 3 was. Oh yeah. So I'll probably just play Gears 1 for now, and then 2 and 3 after that. Played on Xbox 360. I was so blessed as a 6-year-old. Bro, that's mean. Yeah, we didn't obviously we didn't have the facilities, you know, to buy an Xbox and everything to play Gears, but yeah, bro, it's been fun, like real fun. Thank you very much, Rise Season. Thank you, brother. And also the bro clips. Kia ora, my bro. What you making? We are doing a heitiki, my bro. So we're kind of just trying to finish up a last, like all the little tidbit things on this piece. It's almost done. Pretty much almost done. There's really not much left to do on it. Yo, Damp Henry, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. I caught that one. Thank you very much, my bro. And also, is it James or Jamie? Thank you for the cowboy hat as well. And Foodra as well. Do you have music on? Yeah, it's just Skyrim. Do you not do Twitch anymore? Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and TikTok. I'm on all 3, and I just got partnered on Kick too. I got fast tracked. I thought it was 30. What's that for, Robbie? Love your stuff, man. Thank you, Albie. Thank you, brother. Little Thurston. Thank you very much for for the aroha, my bro. What's up, Derek? Question, are you the same guy? Yeah, that's me. How are you? I know he had a beard back then. How are you, brother? How are you? Didn't even recognize you because of that beard. Yeah, I just cut it off yesterday. It was funny too. It's funny because I think I found unlocked to go unnoticed in public. I shaved my beard off, I walked through town, and the people I saw one other time, they said, "Oh, hey, Brox." They looked at me and looked away. I was like, I found it. I found the trick. I was like, holy shit, I made a discovery. That was funny as though, because they were looking at me and then they looked away. Do you have any pūtori? No, nah, I don't have any. I don't have any. My streak, I must have. Oh, okay, yeah. Do you do them for people outside of it? Do I do carvings for people outside of, like, Te Ao Maori? Yeah. This is going to America, this one. So, you know, although with Heitiki, this here, they can be named after our ancestors, they can represent, you know, protection and fertility as well, especially, you know, with wahine. This one is purely decorative, like, it's just a decorative piece for the bro, yeah. What's up, Al Loof, kia ora, bro. How you doing, Brox? Not too bad, brother, not too bad. Had to get a stream in today, my bro, because I wasn't live yesterday. I was trying to stream last night, but I just couldn't get on last night. So yeah, unfortunate. What kind of wood is that? This is pine, like normal Andy pine, pretty much. Yeah, nothing too great about it. Yo, James J, thank you very much for the heart, my bro. Should come to Canada. Oh, if I had the money, I would maybe, you know. Gears 2, he deserves it. Gear 2. What's that for? Wait, what? Crazy how much. Oh, I thought the bro was talking about Gears of War 2. I was like, wait, what? Gears of War 2? I was like, we'll get there one day. Thank you very much, guys. That's pretty much what, you know, why I try and go live every day. You guys support me. Kinda, you know, it's a non-negotiable, you know, unless I have like things on that you know, I can't put to the side. You know, streaming will always be still waiting on GTA. Yeah, it went on pre-order today, November. November is release month. And had to pop in. Oh, Mongoose, how are you, my bro? You staining it, bro? Yep, we'll be staining this. I'll probably just be using tongue oil Well, that answers my next question. Yeah, it went on pre-order today. And there's people saying that if you order a physical copy, they just send you a code in the case. So, yeah, pretty stupid, eh? The server traffic is heavy. I am not surprised. I'm not surprised. I mean, it is probably going to be it's not going to. It is the most anticipated game right now for a lot of us. Thank you for the perfume, L, and the necklace. Kia ora, my bro. Like, even for myself, you know, I'm planning to do a 24-hour stream. I've already spoken to my wife about it. So that's what we're going to be doing in November. But I'm going to try and, you know, go a little bit all out for it. I'm trying to find some, well, basically all I'm going to do is just try and make the living room look like Miami a little bit. Just a lot of plants everywhere, fake crocodile. Was this the same as you worked yesterday or the other day? Yeah, pretty much. Never seen you without a beard, looking clean. Chill, my bro. Yeah, well, last time I was clean shaven was probably 22. 22 was the last time I was like, you know, to the kitty, to the skin. Did you tell her? No, I asked her. I was like, hey, I need yous out of the house when GTA drops. She just said, yeah, all good. Just tell me the dates. So yeah, W wifey for understanding. Thank you, thank you. What does your wife think about no beard? Still adjusting. She's like, far out, this is new for me too. Yo, Buzz, thank you very much for the community heart, my bro. Looking good, bro, Chuckle. Cheers, my bro. Lost it when you followed him. He's upset. Oh, cheers. How is the bro? So, did your kids cry? My, the baby did. Yeah, the baby did. You look younger without no beard. Yeah, I know. It's the perfect cloaking mechanism too. Because I went into town and I saw some people that know who I am. And they looked at me and just looked the other way. I was like, I found the formula. I found the formula to go undetected in public. Mind you, I had a hat on. The Western guy, yeah, he was running around the house saying you followed him. I love his music. If I wasn't streaming on YouTube right now, I'd probably play his music. Yo, Levon, Tivin, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Even when he sang the song, I'm a little more humble than that. I was singing that song too. I was up the top level. I recognize that sweet voice, but who are you? I want you to get your phone, get a Sharpie, and draw a beard around me and you'll know who I am. Nah, don't do that. Imagine a dirt road with some potholes. With my old souls drinking Woodstock, singing flat. Cause I'm a little more hormone than that. Yeah, I love the Western guys' music. I was like, where have I seen this guy before? And then it didn't hit me till I drove past Carl's Jr. I was like, I know who he is. Yo, Joe, thank you very much, my bro. I've been jamming the Western Guides music at the gym. I know the face is colder. You have no idea. You have no idea, good sir. say red app or YT, you might get restrictions. I feel like saying red app makes them think I'm in the Bloods or in the mongrel mob. Okay, noted though. I'm a goldfish, so I'm probably gonna forget and say it again. Yeah. Imagine a dirt road was a motto, my old soul, singing flat. Cause I'm a little more humble than that. Imagine it fall down and going out. The big shrimp. The big shrimp. Shout out to the big shrimp. I used to watch you on Twitch. Believe it or not, I'm still on there. So what are you now? 15? Fuck yeah. Yeah, trust me. You know, I haven't seen this face for a long time too. Yeah, I just decided, cut the beard off. I know it's winter, but you know. Bro, I look so young. I'm 34, okay? I'm 34. Did we just time travel? Hey, keep them coming. They're pretty creative, I ain't gonna lie. You've lost and made so many accounts? This fella collecting accounts like Ash collecting gym badges. God damn. Where are we? Bro, got a jacket on. It's winter, and I'm not as fat as I once was last winter. Yeah, we've lost a little bit of insulation, but you know, it happens. Cut what, 10 years off? Hope everyone else has a lovely day. You too, brother. You too, my bro. Looking good, brother. Thank you, my bro. We still gotta do this too. Hold up. Yeah, if I wasn't live on the Red app, I'd be playing the Western Guides music. And I don't know where my Bluetooth speaker is. Fuck, it's kind of annoying me. Oh shit, okay, let me scroll back. Thank you very much, Royal Trash, for the Galaxy as well. Thank you very much, my bro. Appreciate that, bro. Why did you shave the beard? You traumatized my kids. That is the reason. That's the reason, yeah. And plus I just wanted to. The only one that cried was the baby. Then swipe back and leave her like, oh cheers brother Jared. Cheer my bro. So all I'm trying to do right now is just so I dropped a little bit of the timber around one of the fingers because it was cut too shallow. So to have more of a, you know, definitive cut and a bit more presence, we did deeper cuts around the side of it. Thank you very much, yeah, for the donut. Hello from Singapore, kia ora. Ishi, thank you very much for the manawas. The streams really helped me calm me down, and I've always wanted to say thank you for that too. Ah, bro, all good, bro. The main thing is that you're enjoying the stream. As always, my bro. We stream Monday to Thursday for Whakairo. And Friday is Gears of War Day. Okay? Still on the fence about stream tomorrow because there's a graduation at the carving school I went to tomorrow. So they could be going to that. What's the time here? It is 10:48. 10:48, my bro. Yeah, there isn't really much left to do. So we still have to, you know, carve the nose and clean the mouth on this. You can see. So I'll show you TikTok real quick. Thank you very much, M, for the roses. So that's all we've been up to, just cleaning this face. And because we got to do, you know, a bit more. It's double-sided, eh? It's a double-sided one. Ready? So that's all we've been up to. Examining my harmony. What is she doing? What is the baby doing? Just wait a bit. That's good. Gonna look amazing. Cheers, my bro. Yeah, so with Hey Tiki, they're not normally fully designed, and that's kind of the thing that I'm probably gonna do as well. Is I don't think I'm gonna fully design this one. We did fully design another one. It's inside. Just spam ones if you want me to go and get it. Do you need to be fluent in te reo? Kei te mōhi o ki e tahi atu tangata, ka re tino tūturu i roto I te reo Maori. I know of some carvers that are, you know, not so fluent, but you know, being in Whakairo, you start to, you know, you start to immerse yourself in te reo more. So, you know, it's kind of a win-win, in my opinion. Thank you very much, Barbara, for the watermelons and the glow sticks, and Mr. J for the GGs. When you carve Hey Tiki, do you do the face last? I just did the face last because it's the smallest part and it takes the least amount of time. Because the whole hard part about, you know, carving this Hey Tiki has been within the arms and the legs. Because we're going across the grain, so eventually there's gonna be some tears, eh? There's gonna be some tears. Thank you, Ishi and Reaps. Thank you very much.
No, that's yucky. Put the condom back on. Put it on.
So we still got to draw the nose on and everything too. Oh, did you pull it out? I'll push it down.
I kept it. But now I'm like, how deep is it? In case someone stays in it?
Hang on, chat. Chat. When did you shave the beard? Yesterday. Yesterday, my bro.
Why you not like it?
What happened to the beard, bro? Yes. I was cut it off.
Why you not like it?
Shut your mouth, you. You know, the baby was not a fan. She cried. Even when baby woke up at like midnight or just after midnight, She woke up, like opened her eyes, looked at me and went, like, hold on, oh shit, that's right. She just stopped crying and looked in my face. She was like, hold on now. You're not my dad. He was full on crying, opened her eyes, looked at me and, hold on now. Who the hell is this? 3. Cheers, Ashi. Appreciate you, man. What's up, day and night? Thank you very much for that, man. The main thing for me is, you know, as long as people enjoy it, eh? That's the main thing. Four. Oh, nice, brother. I love your streams. They always calm me down as well. Yeah, all good, mongoose, brother. Like I always say, you know, if you're ever having those moments in life, you can always come in, have a yarn. It is totally fine. Totally fine, my bros and sisters. You watch anime, just One Piece, although, you know, I read it more and it's quite, you know, far ahead. Got any Dream NZ sponsors? Probably Rotorua Real Estate for free. A house. Not that I can think of. Like off the top of my head. Yeah, no, none that I can think of. Just, you know, whoever approaches me and they kind of align with my morals and the way I think, then, you know, I'd probably collaborate with them. N007, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. That's kind of like how I see it. Yeah, it would all kind of depend on, you know, the people themselves within, you know, said sponsor. What's up, Unknown? Sending love from Canada, Hawaii a few years ago, loved it. Oh, nice, brother. I hope to go to Hawaii one day in my life. One day, my bro. Send me a DM. I'll try and do it after stream, my bro. I'll have a look after stream. Yeah, pretty much, my bro. It'll all depend on that. Like, I've been approached by some and then, you know, have a sit down and a talk and they're like, nah, not for me. I think the people I've collaborated, like the company I've collaborated with the most in the country is Red Bull. Like, I'm pretty close with them. Although, you know, they may have changed now that, the people who I used to, like the contacts for me from Red Bull don't work there anymore. So maybe it has changed, maybe it hasn't, I'm not too sure. But for me, you know, I don't really stick around and wait, I just carry on. Like when, even, what's their name? Like there was a moment where I was gonna signed with Team Liquid as well, and then they've just done a Hyundai 360 no scope towards the end, and yeah, I didn't really, you know, fuck around and wait around. I just carried on. Just carried on, bro. Not really wait for them to email. Other than, you know, the typical would like to collaborate with you in the future email. I just do that. Meh, carry on. Not out here trying to wait around for that. Okay. Hello. Kia ora. Ka te au koe. Che, that's your walking stick. Tō toko toko te rā. Nee. High five. Che, high five. Ka pai. Kei te pai koe? Nē mahi a Papa. Papa's doing a hay tiki. Yeah. Is it winter for you at this current time? Yeah. Yeah, tira. Oh. Either that's good for your system, build up your immunity. What about like if you could do one with Doc? Nah. Done that when I was young. No thank you, my bro. Done a few things for Doc when in my younger days. I'm good. Thank you very much, Cuffy. Thank you. Hey, hey. Hold on, just watching the Bubba. Brazil 2 guys. Oh, that what is it? World Cup, eh? Hey, hey. Hang on, guys. What? Hana mai. Hey. Kia tupato pao. Hari kia mama. Off you go, go no buff. Dada. Dada.
Did you see your bruise?
Oh, did you donk the concrete there? Yo, Tintle, thank you very much for the 4 months as an Optimus Prime, my bro. Keep up the good work, brother. Will do, my bro. Will do. Thank you very much for the aroha, brother. How have you been, my bro? She had a bit of a tumble when head bonked the concrete. Greetings from Austin. Greetings, my bro. What's up, Pipkin Longwalker? Kia ora. A wild mini Brox. Yeah, that's the Bubba. Cheer, Ed. Cheer, my bro. Just was showing the chat my first scores. Got yeah, just the Bulbasaur and the Ivysaur I showed on stream last night. Those ones there. Thank you very much, Nate, for the galaxy. I'm sorry I missed the animation for that, my bro. Thank you very much for the aroha, and Morgwan for the rose too. Kia ora, kia ora. Sorry I missed the animation for that, guys. Been watching you since I was like 10. You're now 20. You've been watching me since you were 10, now you're 20. You should be 16 because I've only been streaming for 6 years. Yeah, that Venusaur's gonna be hard to get. Real hard to get. You have only been streaming for 6 years, my bro. Sorry. Man. Yeah, bro, that, I don't know how, unless you know the market value for that Venusaur drops, because boy oh boy, it costs a lot right now. Just getting rid of any sharp bits on the head here. Thank you, CG. Appreciate you, brother. Manu, thank you for the tiny dino, my bro. KTP, how queer. Who is this and where's the... I know, bro. The AI moron thing has been yucky. Your birthday next week? Yo, what's the plans, my bro? Is it... Are we in July next week? Should be soon, right? I was checking out all the new leaked images for GTA as well. Got me into woodworking. How's it been, Shia? How's it been? Always interested to hear everyone's journey within woodworking. No matter what it may be. How you been here, bro? Pretty hard to get and it's like 330 raw. Yeah, fuck that. 330 raw for Venusaur? Fuck that. The art on it does look pretty cool though, I'll say that much. I was talking about some of the other cards that I'll be in pursuit for too, like, you know, all three Gen 1 starters, not so much the vintage stuff, just the newer stuff. Who else do I like? Nido King is another one. And Mewtwo, I know that Mewtwo card is freaking expensive, eh? The one with him in the tube. Thank you very much, SKJ, for the roses. I see you. I do want to try and get some Pokemon Trainer Red cards, especially the one with him and VMAX Pikachu. That one's kind of cool. I like that one. You played Black Ops 1 or 2? Nah, not really. Didn't really have the funds for either game, bro. Back when they dropped. Yeah, the only card I genuinely played a lot of was Modern Warfare, and that was it. That was genuinely it, my bro. Trading one of my Blackbeard cards for a VMAX Charizard this weekend. The shiny one or the orange one? Oh, which V? Because he's got a couple, He's got a couple, He always, so where's Illidan now? He's with the Titans. He's gone now. For how long? We don't know. He might come back for the last 2 expansions for WoW and die. Because they did say, you know, a lot of the mainline characters will be dying. So, you know, as you would say, be prepared. Oh yeah, the shiny one. Yeah, because I got the shiny VMAX Charizard, the black one. Not too late, I see these videos. Love from Ireland. John, brother, go to sleep, my bro. Don't stay up at silly o'clock for me, my brother. Always look after yourself, okay? How are you, Nikachi? Wonder if the bro's still streaming. Pretty stinky didn't get the ranch, but I know him, he'll cook something up. My sleeping habit is not good. What should I do? Don't know. Have a drink of water, drink of milk, lie in bed, count to 1,000. See if that helps. Tyler Reeve, thank you very much for the heart, my bro, and the dino and the roses too, my bro. And what is that? Oh, the ice cream. Ooh, ice cream sounds nice. Yeah, Illidan's with the Titans now. So he may make a return at the end of the World Soul Saga. We don't know. Because WoW's kind of doing these endgame things right now. These in-game movements in the story. But after midnight, it's gonna be, yeah, the Last Titan will be the name of the last expansion for the saga. And who knows what's gonna happen. But yeah, they did say just be prepared for your favorite character to die. It's like, oh fuck, if Thrall dies, I'm over well. Bro, I only got 2 OGs left, bro. Thrall and Rixar. Can't even do straight edges. It's not about doing straight edges. Just remember, it's about giving it a go. Again and again and again. You don't master something straight away, okay? It's always good to, you know, continue. Fucking Rami asked the right questions. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I probably won't get invested in the ranch stuff in character. But yeah, Carver is gutted for Junior, as he should be. But he did tell him, you just let me know and I will take an oil tanker truck to their farm. No strings attached. Yo, what up, Gravy? I don't know the conversation rates. I think GTA, so this is a stab in the dark. I think GTA 6 NZD is going to be around 180 to 200 for the collector's edition. I reckon more. I reckon standard will be somewhere between 90 and 120. In my opinion, yeah. Are you the Twitch guy? Hello. Thank you very much. 179 NZ dollars. Thank you very much for the hearts, my bro. Yeah, it's gonna be freaking heaps. Find out in character, you're gonna love the plan. Oh yeah. I'm not sure when I'm gonna be on. I've been doing just some late nights because fuck, I bought a tow truck and I forgot you had to buy a parking slot. I bought a little shit tow truck that looks like Maida just for chopping. So I'm just talking about GTA right now, guys. It's in App Store at the moment for pre-order. Is that for PlayStation? Something new with you? Yes, there is. But it's not coming with a disc. Yeah, the code's in a box set. That is so dumb, eh? Like, that's why I'm not getting physical. 140 for standard edition. How much is the ultimate? Blocks the sun to see the chat. 175. What do you get in the ultimate? Just like cosmetics? Yeah, the screenshots, bro. They look cool. The new screenshots of the different fits they can have. I was vibing with those. Yeah, so I think for the GTA 6 subathon as well, guys. I'm gonna dress up as well, like I live in Miami. We'll dress up for it. We'll go the full shebang. I need to find an inflatable crocodile or alligator. The fresh shave. Yeah, it's pretty cold, my bro. It's pretty cold. They're also putting features and tattoos and car upgrades behind paywalls. Really? That's kind of teats. That's kind of dumb if they do that. For the most anticipated game that's coming out, eh? My dad loves your videos. He carves just like you. Oh, kia ora. Ngā mihi to your dad. Hope he's doing well. Yeah, I'll probably spark up the PlayStation today and check it out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna get the ultimate one, eh? If I'm being completely honest. Now, hopefully the community stays strong and refuses to pre-order at that price. I'm probably gonna get it, if I'm being honest. Tell myself I'll get the better one as well. Yeah. Like, if I'm being honest, yeah, I'm gonna get it too. We based in NZ. Rotorua, my bro. Marius, thank you very much for the roses. Kia ora. What happened to our songs? Are we flat? Nah. That's crazy. It actually is. Bro, my guts is rumbling, bro. Right, Legends lunch break. I'm gonna have an apple while I yarn to you guys, okay? Yo, Jock, thank you very much. And A, wish you a nice day. Thank you, my brother. Hope you have a beautiful day too. Yeah, if I'm being completely honest to myself, yeah, I'm probably gonna get the thing edition one too. Like, if I'm being completely honest. Yeah. Thank you very much, Sam, for the roses. Kia ora, my bro. Let me take this out of the vice so I can show you. There you go. So you can see, compared to this side here, how it has those definitive lines and the brows, and we kind of just molded them off. So that's pretty much him there. There you go. Oh, did I? Shit. Let me scroll back. Thank you very much, Sam the Hedgehog. I'm sorry about that, Sam. Thank you very much for telling me, guys. Thank you for the galaxy, my brother. Thank you, brother Sam. So yeah, just a quick lunch break so I can eat this and have a yarn with you guys some more. Do you do commissions? I do. That's actually one. So I have I've got to do some bloody chat redeems on the green site too. But I have a million channel point reward on my Twitch channel, and it's a free carving, and that's one of them. It's like the fourth or fifth one in my stream's history. Yeah, since I've seen you. How you been, bro? How you been? Can I buy one? I do have some carvings, but they're not for sale at the moment. Soon though. Yeah, man. November's gonna be a busy time on streams galore, man. When is it? November 9, Oh, I just like crunchy apples, eh? Not so much care about brand. I don't like the flowery ones. Those ones are yuck. Do you believe an apple a day keeps stocks away? Not really. Did the Prime Minister ever visit you again after that day? She turned up an extra 2 times. Did she? No, 4 times, yeah. 4 times as a whole. Hey, Joe brother Jared, how are you, my bro? Looking fresh and cold, my bro. Working on new projects at the moment, yeah. We're just on a lunch break and we're doing this. This Heitiki. So this Heitiki is double-sided. You see? And that will be going to America. Looks hectic. Thank you, brother. How long did it take? Couple months, because I had to stop doing it and do a commission for one of my high school mates as well. So I put one commission to the side and did another commission, finished that, and then jumped back onto this one. It was for his wife's graduation. Also, if you're in Aotearoa once again, can you go onto a GOVT site and sign the what is it? The petition to go against the Conservation Act bill, please. If you're in Aotearoa. So yeah, I'm sick and tired of it. I've had enough. I, as Brox, am gonna do it now. Basically, what the government's doing is trying to sell off a lot of conservation land. So like, even some heritage sites as well. I am not a fan. As a hunter, I don't want to be going out hunting. Next thing you know, I see a fucking Starbucks in the middle of nowhere. So if you are from Aotearoa, can you please go and sign the petition, please? To go against this brain dead bloody bill that they're bringing in, along with the 20 million other brain dead bills they have. Who are you supporting in the World Cup? No one. I don't really watch soccer / football. No, no one. Is that to do with the treaty? That's one of them, but it's to do with the whole country. They want to put conservation land up for sale. Messi or Ronaldo? Faker. That's the only logical answer to that. Thank you, Glit, and what were those names? Rye T1, thank you very much. And Unknown, Rye T1 Spot, and GLH Unknown. Thank you very much for the roses, brothers. Can you see spirits since you started carving? No, not really. Not really, my bro. Yeah, that's the only logical answer to that question. Messi or Ronaldo? Faker. I'll be honest. What's 1 + 1 = window? I know that one. 1 + 1 = window. 1 + 1 = a window. Imagination. Yamo. Love what you do. Thank you, my bro. I hope you enjoy it nonetheless, my brother. Any plans on... was it? Any plans on more tamoko? Not at this moment. I'd like to get my pool all done, but I'm not sure if I should. Or then I'm starting to think about, you know, my face more as well. But you know, all in due time. All in due time. It's not something I want to rush. I haven't watched your streams in years, but you've lost so much weight. Yeah, I was 146 in October, and we're sitting roughly around 119 to 122. So it's in that range, pretty much. No, did you cut your hair? Over here, yes. I still have long hair. Thank you very much, Unknown, for the roses, my bro. Lost weight only from shaving. I'm dumb. I should have weighed myself after I cut my beard off too. Andy1, thank you very much for the rose too, brother. And Rye T1 again. Thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. You want to get your mata ora? Oh, you know, when you're ready, pretty much how it all goes. Selling land where natives and endangered species and trees live along with sites where ancestors used to live. Yeah, it's pretty out the gate, eh? Like, the government pretty much made it very clear that they don't give a fuck about kiwis and the Maori dolphin at all. There's only 50 of them left in the world. Only 50. And, yeah, they don't give a fuck about them. They'd rather see them, you know, gone than try and rescue them. Same with that Kuare Tamapōtaka too. ILMW, thank you very much for that, Oha. So yeah, that's one thing that I'm not really happy about, that bloody conservation bill that they got going on. Absolutely not fucking happy about that at all. Yeah, that's all I'll say on that matter. Have you watched Fina? I don't really watch TV other than streams. Yeah, I don't watch TV. You know, I may watch the odd Maui or Moana 2 with the kids now and again. Well, you'll see me watching like streams and YouTube more than actual TV. Craziest first it's the land and the animals, then us pretty much. Yeah, bro. Greed runs deeper in Te Whare Miere right now. Hello, thank you very much for that, Oha. Bro, where'd the beard go? Looking slick, Joe, bro. Yeah, I just wanted to cut it off, eh? Last time I had no beard like this was 22, 23. I'm 34 now. Yeah, I've never seen myself without a beard for a long time too. So at least I can do this. I'm actually fucking mogging right now. Yeah, I always see androgenics videos pop up on my FYP now and again. That's his name, eh? Androgenic? I'm actually fucking mogging right now. Is that his actual voice? Can't imagine how much of a strain that'll be on his voice box. Are you an NZ? Yeah. Veggies, thank you very much for the rose. Whina Cooper and the treaty. Oh, true, I didn't even know. No, I didn't even know that was on there. Okay, I think I've had enough of a break. If you have any more questions before we get back into it, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask, laddie. What's your favourite takeaway food? One that I don't have to pay for? Yeah. I won't lie. Yeah, one that I do not have to pay for, my bro. That's pretty peak. I don't know if anyone else, you know, thinks about it that way. I don't think my wife, their white rice is better than brown rice. I guess it depends on the diet. I eat brown rice. So, yeah, might not be the right guy to ask. The beard is gone no way. Hello, good sir. Thank you very much, Angel, and also Felix as well. Yeah, I stopped eating for taste years ago. I just eat for results now. That's how I've been for like years. What's up, Toby? Thank you very much, Felix, for the 40 roses. Kia ora, my bro. Best weather for some boil up. That is on the cards this evening, my brother. That is on the cards this evening. It is marinating as we speak. So yes, we will be eating well for the next 3 days. Loves a boil up in the cold weather. If you don't know what boil up is, to all our viewers from America, similar to gumbo. But I think like gumbo is more like the broth or whatever you would call it, eh? Were you the guy that went viral a while back? Yeah, I had a beard back then. Where you get your pork bones and bacon bones? Sometimes my uncle, because he does like home kill, or he has home kill all the time. I don't know if I should say that on TikTok. The KIL word, or just go Mad Butcher. We never get our meat from Pack and Save anymore. It's too expensive. When we can get a solid like pack from the butcher. Yo bro, you doing? Can I have your shorts in your room? Fuck off, I only got 2 pairs. Suck a fart after the first wipe, mate. I don't have much clothes. Honestly, too expensive, and let's be real, that's not what it, yeah. Yeah, bro. Fuck, everything's just going up, eh? I'm sure when you get asked this, but are you the guy from the edits? From the streamer 5 in the $5 girl? Yeah. That's the one thing that I will not share myself. Yeah, that's why I would say, like I was talking to my uncle about it, like with, and I might just, like I'm contemplating just buying a beast from him, and then, you know, our family lives off that for X amount of weeks or months, I guess. I'll show you soon, Smelly. Masima, thank you very much for the galaxy, Masima. Masima! Thank you very much. I'll show you very soon. Let me just clean this side up. Thank you, Masima. Where are we? How are you doing? Good. Hi Z, I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Need to go gym today. And train and low-key practice my mogging face in the mirror. Nah. Can you adopt me? Hell no. It's hard enough with 3 miniature humans. Probably get a dog next. But in order to do that, we need to move, and we are still saving. Yep, me and wifey are still saving for a funny. Yeah, definitely last at least a year. So that's kind of what we're thinking of doing right now. Mr. Nobody, thank you for your awesomes, my bro. Instead of like, you know, going to the butcher every week, because, you know, then the costs will go up. So considering, you know, getting a beast will be better in the long run. Oh shit, hold up. This grain be graining right now. So all I'm doing right now to those that are watching on TikTok is rounding the brows. Thank you, Mr. Nobody. Yeah, you gotta have the mighty freezer, my bro. That's one fond memory I had living with my grandparents. Like, you know, never had, the most amount of money, but the freezer was always full. It was never, low. I think, when my grandfather passed away, I had just kind of lost the will to go hunting pretty much when he passed. Like we used to go hunting all the time, like nearly every weekend, every weekday sometimes. Um, but yeah, it's when he passed, I kind of just started not doing it as much. Unfortunately, but I'm a bit older now and I've got my own kids, so it's kind of like the knowledge that I want to pass on to them now. Especially my second daughter, because she's really into that. What's up, Jack the Sniffer? That's dangerous. Jack the Sniffer, eh? Yo, what a berry big balls, are you, brother? Bloody long time no see, my bro. Good to see you. Oh, berry big balls, eh? You been watching the World Cup? Nah, not really a sport I'm into, my bro. Thank you, Ethan, for the roses. Cheer, my bro. Good to see you again. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well, good sir. Share, what you been up to, bro? What you been doing lately? You deserve them, bro. You're a great father. Ah, trying, my bro. Trying. Just trying my best, brother. Hold on, guys. Okay, so all I'm kind of doing right now is just rounding the brows of this carving. What are you making? A heitiki I'm going to show you very shortly. Just dad life, you bro. You and me both, my bro. You and me both. My dad is from Auckland. Oh, kia ora. There we go. So you see we're getting rid of that line right there, just that ridge there. Just like how we done it on the other side as well, with the head. That's just gonna show you TikTok now. So this is what we've been doing, okay? So you can kind of see that definitive like ridge there. So we're just rounding that off so it's not so noticeable now, okay? Same thing like what we did to the other side. That's him. So that's pretty much what we're doing right now. Beautiful. Oh, thank you. What's up, Baraka? It's pine. Yeah, just had a piece of pine that just fit with what I wanted to do. So yeah, using it. Come on. There you go. Hey, I remember you. How you doing, brother? What up, man? Love from Malaysia. Kia ora, my bro. How are you? One of the nicest dudes who got posted on the internet. How are you, good sir? Nice to meet you. Clean shave looks good. Yeah, it's just gonna be a one-off thing. I just wanted to cut it all off and look after the skin underneath. How long have you been doing this? Cause if you, the OG, I remember, I've been streaming for 6 years. Streaming for 6 years, my bro. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, but like, in terms of like Whakairo as a whole, I've been doing it for about 22, 23 years, pretty much. I like the new look, looks good. Cheers, brother. Yeah, just one off thing though, just one off. I do rather prefer to have a beard. I just wanted to cut it off. Cut it off for one time, and also on the side, traumatize the kids a little bit. Why? For the laughs. College assignments, can you teach me how to... I don't even know what that is, so you're asking the wrong guy. Hope you're having a blessed stream. Yo, Gunjo, it's been a good stream, brother. Just getting, progress done as usual. Bet your woman and kids prefer beard. Yeah, pretty much. The baby definitely did, because she cried. How do you feel about the viral clip of you being humble and being compared against the toxic streamer saying, money, get out of my stream? Oh, it is what it is. Like, I used to get a lot of hate for it too, but bro, I'll be honest, it's not really something that worries me. But I always saw that clip going around because, that clip kind of defined my streaming career as well. And for me personally, that is the one clip I would never post myself. Like, a lot of people say, you should post that clip so you'll get views. It's like, oh, don't care about that. Yeah. That is the one clip I do not want to post of myself. Ever. I don't know, I think it's just pretty weird. That guy. Jeez. Tell you about the berry. Yeah, it's definitely connected me with a lot of people around the world, which I'm very grateful for the most. Thank you very much, MJK, for the roses. You're still streaming? How are you, brother? You're selling these, right? Not this one specifically, but I am going to be putting some up for sale, yes. It's just a matter of how I'm going to do the, the transaction. So I'm thinking maybe an invoice through PayPal or something. I don't know. I'm not quite there in terms of like my thoughts right now. But we shall see. We shall see. Why does the body look like a pretzel? I can see why you'd think that, and at the same time, you might need a pretzel in your life. Go and get one. I had a chocolate covered pretzel once. Wow, it was pretty nice. I'd love to come to NZ. My friend's a conservationist there. Oh, Tiano. Sure, I mean, yeah. If you don't know, there's a bit of a conservation petition going on at the moment because the government wants to sell some majority of the conservation land, and yeah, fuck that. So yeah, if you're from Aotearoa and you know, you haven't signed it yet, please go through and sign it. The way I look at it, you know, we could be going on a beautiful trek through the bush. Next thing you know, there's a fucking mega mall around the side of the hill. So if you haven't signed it already, please go through. I encourage you to. Because that is the most brain dead bill they've had amongst the millions that they do have. So yeah, make sure you go sign it. I remember the viral clip. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, I signed it on... When did I sign it? The petition. Last week. Are you Samoan? A Maori, brother. Who's this Skux fella? I haven't heard that word in ages. Skux. That is an old word. There we go. Going on here. Okay. Just need to go in a little bit. There you go. Where do we go to sign? Can someone post the link in the Twitch chat, please? I think the bro posted in the Twitch chat earlier. Thank you very much for the roses, Zach and Ali as well. I think it's on the GOVT website actually. I could be wrong. I'll try my best to find it. Yeah, I might link it in the Twitch stream tomorrow if I do stream. Stream tomorrow is a bit of a 50-50. Normally it's Gears of War on Fridays, but they got graduation at the carving school tomorrow, and they've asked if I wanted to go up. And yeah, still not sure yet. Still unsure. Thank you very much, yeah. Alright. What's up, brother? What's up, Luz? How you, brother? How you been, Web? Yo, Barb, thank you very much for the popular. Popular. Oh, what happened to your majestic beard? Hello, I cut it off. You're gonna be popular. Alrighty. Where's my pencil? There it is. Are you excited for... Yes, I am excited. I am excited for Gears of War. So what we've been doing is... what I've been doing on stream, I started playing Gears of War for the first time. Never played it before. Never played it once in my life. So yeah, started on Gears 1. And it's been fun so far. So I'm going to try and play all the Gears of War before E-Day drops. And I have an idea that I want to do. I'm gonna, so in Whakairo, right, I want to carve Thai. I want to carve Thai Callisto. Ethan Couch, thank you very much for the your calls, my bro. Oh, you're awesome, sorry. Yeah, so the plan is to carve Thai Callisto in the Whakairo style. And I won't be giving him, you know, that the markings that he's got on his face. I'm going to do a proper mata ora. Obviously, I know he's not Maori, but, you know, it's just a little project that I want to do, you know, for myself. For fun. So, yeah, we are going to do that. Okay. Still got a bit to clean up. Maori in my heart. Yeah, I feel that, brother. Feel that. Thank you very much, Elite. Kia ora, brother. You in the States? No, I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. I'll be in the States in September.
I need you to oil this man
Boy.
right now.
Sweet Mayo. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 14 months, my bro. Sweet Mayo. Can't go wrong with the best foods on everything. That was me, cheese toasty, best foods mayonnaise, and avocado. That was one of the combos, man. One of the combos. You ever watched Thor Ragnarok? Yes, I have. And I'm aware what you're implying. That is not me. That is not me, good sir. That is not me. San Diego. Oh, I'll be going. I'll be in Cali, my bro. Just for 2 days, and then I come home. I'll be over for BlizzCon. So yeah, we got invited to BlizzCon, whānau. Back to back so far. Back to back. You enjoying the World Cup? Nah, I'm not even watching it, bro. Yeah, I'm not really into football / soccer. It's not really yeah. It's not for me. I guess the one thing that I've been enjoying from the World Cup though is seeing how, you know, the different countries, you know, celebrate their teams. Or the different cultures, I should say. But me personally, not really my thing, pretty much. How long have you been woodworking and what inspired you to do it? So, I started doing Whakairo at the age of 12. Now, there are a few things in our history, the Maori history, that kind of push me towards wanting to do this. And basically the person that kind of steered me into Whakairo as well was my uncle. And how it all came to be, basically, for me. Yeah, back in school, brother, every Friday we'd have like a class outside of our normal school subjects, and Whakairo was one of them. And I went into these classes just out of curiosity because, you know, it's my uncle doing the classes, so why not? And oi, thank you very much, General Court, for the raid. Kia ora, my bro. Welcome on through to the stream. My name is Brox. I have a clean-shaven face. Welcome. Hope you had a wonderful stream, good sir. Handsome and good with his hands. Brother, my wife uses this app. Cheer, my bro. How are you? So, where was I? Yeah, so my uncle, basically, I remember this day very clearly like it was yesterday. On our first day. Like, keep in mind this is our first Friday class and it's weekly. I'm going to put the camera up so we can talk about this. So every Friday, we would have classes outside of our normal school curriculum every Friday. Thank you very much for the roses, my bro. And I guess the moment that kind of made me want to do this is on our first day, my uncle spoke about, you know, where Whakairo comes from. The art form itself comes from Tangaroa, the god of the sea, in our culture. And it was discovered by one of our ancestors by the name of Rua Te Pupuke, who was the first Maori woodcarver of our people. Nathan, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. And, you know, fast forward to the moments that kind of switched my way of thinking to want to do this. And one moment, gotta say thank you over here. Thank you very much to, hey, Kasufa, thanks for the brand new tier 1, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you, good sir. Where are we? And Ken's as well. So the main things that made me want to pursue this art form. So in our culture, you know, our history and everything, it's not really told within schools, okay? And, you know, at the same time, there are those, you know, high in the power train within our country that don't want it taught in schools. And so my uncle sat us down and told us this next part is kind of what pushed me into it. It was more so the hardship that my ancestors went through back in the day. So there was a lot of, you know, mass unalivings or, you know, plans on how to push the culture out and adopt something new, you know, because, you know, when you do that, when you take a language and the identity of the people, you kill the culture. And, you know, it all started with the missionaries pretty much, and how they, you know, brought their faiths in, and it did help. Some of our people did convert to Christianity, but, you know, a lot of our people didn't at the same time. That was one of them. And then eventually fast forward to the Tohunga Suppression Act, which is an act of parliament that was passed where they outlawed everything within our culture, you know, like from speaking our language, kōrero i te reo Maori, to even doing the haka, anything that had to do with our culture, they, yeah, try to outlaw it all pretty much. And then the next ones, you know, would be all the land wars all over the country. And then the main one that kind of left a big dent in our history was World War One and Two, where our forefathers, they went with all this knowledge that they were supposed to pass down. They didn't come back. And there's that big generation gap within our history as well, where it was almost lost. And then, you know, you fast forward some more to the era of my grandmother, because the only language they knew how to speak, ko te reo Māori noi ho te reo tuatahi. So they only knew how to speak te reo Māori. And if they spoke Māori in front of teachers or people at school, they were caned in front of the whole school for speaking our own language too. And so you know, I, as a 12-year-old, got really fucked off about that. Yeah, at 12. And there was kind of like the defining moment in my uncle's teachings that made me want to pursue Whakairo, like fully. Like before I even went into that class, I wanted to be a zookeeper. Yeah, I wanted to be a zookeeper and look after red pandas. Thank you very much, Jaden. Depp as well. Yeah, zookeeping was kind of a future thing that I wanted to do in terms of like a job. And the other one was hopefully, work with Samwise when he was working at Blizzard at the time. As an artist, yeah, being an artist at Blizzard. And then, basically when we got those history lessons from my uncle, I threw all of that out the door and just pursued Whakairo. And so it came to our first class the next week where we actually started carving. And we carved these things called wakahuia. And I still have my first carving to this day. I still have it. Thank you very much, brother Jaden. And pretty much, we were chipping away. The thing with my uncle, the way he liked to teach was by observing. Just watching. Did bro get younger? What's up, man? Thank you very much, brother Jaden. And Alex as well. So yeah, we started carving and my uncle was just watching as he's just an observer as a teacher. And he stopped me and he goes, "Have you done this before?" And nah. Bro was glowing. You guys. Yeah, so he basically said, "Have you done this before?" And I went, "No, this is my first time." And he just nodded and he went, "Carry on. Carry on. Good. Goodbye." Holy shit, bro, we come so far. We've come so far. What's up, bro? And then eventually, that was all done. And then he told me to stay behind from class. And he pulled out this book with our genealogy in it. And that's the day I found out I was a 4th generation carver in my family. So, it was a family thing pretty much. And then when I left home at 16, I moved out of my nan and kuros. My mum was still studying at the time, and I moved here. And then eventually did my senior year at Rotorua Boys High School. Like I was still carving at this time, still refining, what my uncle had been teaching me, refining, and then eventually I graduated from high school, the only one in my generation of cousins to graduate. And that was a big thing for me. I didn't want to be like them. I wanted to be, a better example. And that's kind of just how I live my life too, with my family too. And then one of the main reasons why I moved here to Rotorua was to learn my grandmother's genealogy as well. And no one knew it in my generation until I moved here. And then I found out I was a 3rd generation carver with a big, generational gap. And my grandfather had caught wind of this and he didn't do anything. He said, "Oh, just let him do his thing and see what happens." Yo! Why, Waff? Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you very much for the aroha, brother. Are you related to the Rikiana whānau? Maybe. My main whānau's here, the Maori who's in the Vircos. Are you a huata? Nah, I'm not. That's all taha into me. So, pretty much, then I applied for the carving school here. 3-year apprenticeship. And I started in 2015. I graduated in 2016. In the 42nd intake. So I think they're on 50 this year. Yeah, the 50th intake starts this year. Yo, Thunder Punch, thank you for the 68 months, my bro. Let me know how much too. Let me know how much, my bro. Thank you very much for the art piece, my bro. Thank you, brother. When did you shave your beard? Yesterday. Uncle Charlie, yeah, I know Uncle Charlie. and the Muds and all of them too. Yeah, they're my cousins. And my other whānau here, probably the Mitais as well. That's on this side and Mokomoko's side too. So, where was I? Yeah, so I started at the carving school in 2015, and then I graduated in 2018. And the year after, that's when my koro said, come here. Because when I was in the carving school, there was this old toki, this old adze blade that was always there and used by everyone. And my koro actually gave that toki to James Rickard, who was the master carver at the time. And I sat me down with him and he goes, it's time to give it to me. And with koro te ariki, it's he's a one word and it's it's a few words and it's done type of old fella. And at first when I got this adze blade, I went, nah, I'm all good koro, I don't feel ready for this. Because it belonged to my ancestor Whare Toroa, who was a carver as well. And then my koro just pretty much said, it's for that reason you are. So ane, and he told him to give it over, and I went, fuck. So it's like an heirloom in our family. So my koro's words, he said, finally someone in our family who's a carver can use it, because there hasn't been one in a long time. So yeah, it's, a big honour. He said, hold on to it till the next one comes around. So yeah, my job with that adze that I have is, wait for the next one. And the Morehu whānau or the Virkos, either one. But I have been teaching my nephew how to carve too. So yeah, bro, you shaved your beard? Yeah, bro. I look weird, eh? Even I feel weird too. Cold as well. Yeah, just let me know, Thunder. I know you don't want to talk about it, but still, I know you can hear me. What made you shave your beard? I just wanted to. Yeah. Wait, something looks different. Yeah, it's winter here at the moment. Winter's here. We have come to die for our dragon queen. I look like I get bullied if I shave. Wonder what? Yeah. Even I forgot what I looked like underneath, and I went, "Hori heka, that's what I look like." This is gonna be a shit school pickup. Frickin' rain. One moment, guys. Just gonna put some stuff to the side. I just successfully mugged off my wife. Thank you very much, Kanos, for the ice cubes, and Aiden as well. And thank you, Bonos, for the 7 months. We got T1 Galley. I know, bro. It looks so good, eh? That is definite cop, my bro. I gotta say, though, the skins this year, mean. They're mean as. But I'm glad that 2 champions I play got one. The Zinzao and the Galio, I definitely got to cop the Galio one. I thought you cut your hair for a second. No. I don't know when I'll cut my hair. There's gonna be a day where I will, but I'm not sure when. Yeah. Kia ora, my bro. Kia ora. Yeah, I'm not sure, when that day is gonna happen. But you will eventually know. Yeah, winter time is right, pretty much. Yeah, that T1 Galileo skin is nice, bro. I like it. I like the taunt too because he does fake his bloody emote he does. From 10 plus years without your beard. Sure goes to the tree. How you been, bro? How you been? Oh. Yeah, yeah. Where are we? But yeah, even the recalls, eh? The recalls are so good. Especially Doran's one. I like Doran's, the Kruglord, recall. Looking fresh, brother. Thank you, my bro. Where do you get your wood? Sometimes from, you know, some contacts that I have. Or, there's a wood recycling centre here. Yeah, there's a wood recycling centre here, my bro. Because the wood recycling centre here, like their workers go around to all the heritage sites pretty much and just demolishing everything. And so you know what a lot of those heritage sites say they use native. Give us the insides on your chisel, like where they get them from. Carbatec, Carbatec. Carbatec. Good morning, mate. Have a good day. You have a good day too, my bro. Have a good day. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you very much to Gimus for the rose and also IP user. Kia ora. Yeah, so I get my chisels from Carbatec, Carbatec. Where's the beard? Flushed it down the toilet. It's on a deluxe cruise down Schitt's Creek, my bro. Kia ora means hello. Yeah, that's where my beard went, my bro, on a deluxe cruise down Schitt's Creek. To be more specific, okay? Oh, I packed my chisels away. They're just Swiss ones. Swiss ones, my bro. Viva Brazil! Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, but they're all from Carbatec. So I didn't pay for my chisels, so when you go through the carving school here, if you get accepted, they pay you while you learn, and at the same time they give you a pack of chisels, and if you graduate, you get to keep them. I've had them since year 2015, with a few additions to them as well. Okay, my phone is getting flat. Thank you, IP user. Shit, TikTok, I'm gonna have to finish up the stream before my phone dies. Most of all, thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok as per usual. I know we can't really raid anyone on drive fast. Oh, that's the... I don't know how to change it, eh? I done my level 4. Oh, you done it with Raki. Oh, true. Yeah, he's another graduate too. Yeah, I have to finish up the TikTok stream finally because my phone's getting flat, but have a good one. If I'm live tomorrow, it'll most likely be for Whakairo or Gears of War. Then again, it is the carving school graduation for some students here and the bros that asked me to go. So we may go live tomorrow. If it's not during the day, it'll probably be in the evening. So for now, TikTok, I gotta say goodbye to you. Have a good day. Thank you very much for all the love. I stream on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube. Have a good one, TikTok. Ka kite. Thank you very much for all the aroha too. Alright, laddies. How we doing? No, so you know, Arapeta. What's the last name? Arapeta. There's only one Arapeta I know, and he's was from high school. Oh, I wasn't there when he was there, but yeah. Yo, Nicatude, you still in the kick stream? Melting under the heat. How are you doing yourself? Yeah, all good. It's winter here. It's winter here, my bro, so it's all good. Yeah, Beast. Yeah, I know. Other Beast. Haven't seen him in a while though. Yeah, unfortunately, the last time I saw him was at Hux's Tangi. Unfortunately, yeah. Sad occasion. Any hunting stories? Fuck, I can't even remember, eh? I'll have to think about it. I gotta think about that one and come back to you because it's been so long. Alright, I might send you to the bro. He's walking 200 Ks to raise awareness for homelessness in Australia. So for now, Twitch, I'm gonna love and leave yous. Have a good one. Much aroha. Yeah, either one, Brother Robbie. Up to you, my bro. Much aroha. I'm gonna send yous over to the bro Panda, who's doing a 200-kilometer walk. So me a shout out to him as always. Let's see who's live on Kiki Lala. Yeah, I don't know when the partnered thing kicks in, eh? Is Kif still live? I don't think he is. Jay, he got off early. That's a first. I might just send you to Taco. Yeah, I'll just send you to Taco. One moment, Kick, I can do it on my phone now. If I'm close enough to the bloody internet. Have a good one, Twitch. Kakeets. Have a teats. Cheer. What did he say?